you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today we have the June little bee box to show you. Do you want to know what's inside my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, the June 2026 Little Bee Box has arrived. They did send this to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys, this box should be in rotation for my cousin's little girl. She's a little over a year old, but her chunky dunky self is literally in 24-month clothing right now. So that is what this box should be tailored to, is for her little girl, and I cannot wait to see what's inside and then see the photos of her enjoying everything. I just love the way they curate these boxes, and we're in summertime, like dead in summertime now, so I'm so excited to see the clothing items this time as well. So it always comes in this box right here. You can store things in them, they stack nicely, or you can recycle them, but they always come in their little bee box. And you have your paperwork on top, and it is your thank you card. If you do have social and you get this box, you can tag them and you might be featured on their website or their social. So there's that. Then you have the monthly card. Look at how beautiful this one is. All those beautiful colors, the flowers. I just love that. So it says June, sunshine and sweet memories. So this is for the mom to read, gives them some little pointers sometimes and some other little tips and stuff like that. So there is the monthly card. Now you have your tissue paper with the bees on it. It wouldn't be the little bee box without it. Oh, and there is a larger item. This does come inside of a mailer bag, and inside the mailer bag, this was underneath because it obviously is a little bit bigger. It can't fit. So we do have a bigger item over here. Not everything is inside of the box. Just wanted to say that. So when we open up that, here is a sneak peek to inside of the box. Okay, so let's go ahead and go with this larger item first, since it is outside of the box, but it is wrapped in their tissue paper. Ooh, okay. So it is a wood learning puzzle. That is cool. That'll help her with her shapes, her colors, and just like putting it in for, like, was that motor skills or whatever that's called? So that is really cool. So yeah, she'll have all the different shapes and the colors to help her learn. Let me see if I can kind of put these, get them where they're supposed to be. Okay, I just need to get the stop sign in right. There we go. There we go, you guys. There's every single shape in its spot that it should be in. That is so cool though. I love that. I love any type of like a learning game, board, anything like that. So that's awesome. All right, so now we have a purse attached. A cute little white little purse. Here, let me just detach this for the time being. It even has a little zipper. And it's just all open on the inside. A cute little purse though. So there's this little bag. And then look at how cute. I love that yellow. Perfect color for this season right now too. And this is a 3T. So again, she should be in 24 months, but if the owner's supplier tells them that it runs higher or lower, then they adjust that accordingly. So I'm sure this just runs as a smaller size. So she went up to make sure it fits her. And that's always great, because I would love for them to be bigger and they can grow into them than them being smaller or just right where they only get to wear them for, like, you know, once or twice. So I love that she does take that into consideration and she changes the size accordingly. So here's the shirt. And then look at these cute little shorts. There's some yellow inside the daisy to match with this. Oh, there's another outfit in here too. Hold on. Let me get that off my arm. Oh, and you could probably mix and match these shorts too. So you can probably wear it with this or the shirt that's coming up. But here's another pair of shorts. And then here is another shirt. Oh, that is super pretty. Look at that with the little pale colors on it, and then the bee and the flower. That is super cute. So I'm assuming you could wear either shorts with either shirt, mix and match between the two outfits and a bag. And there's even a book. I love when there's books. When You're Silly and You Know It. And this one actually has a value on it for $13.99 for this book. And it has like the thicker pages. But that's a nice book too. It's a lot of pages in there. And I love that it has like a little handle. Carry it like that. So here is a book that's great to even take on car rides. I can look at it, play with it, whatever. So here is a book. And then the last item in here is for the mom. There's always one gift. It can be anything and everything under the sun, but there's one special gift in here just for the mom. So they have a little item for themselves, and it's not all just for the baby. This here, for this month, we have a gentle massaging scrubbing sponge. Outer silicone shell delivers non-slip grip, inner sponge material for the foamy cleansing experience. It gently massages your skin for face and body use. So that again is for the mom. So that is everything that came in the June box. So a quick recap: you have the gift for the mom, you have a book, you have not one, but 2 outfits, you have a bag and a puzzle. All right, you guys, so that is everything that we have for this month, and every single box is tailored for the child it's going to. So each box is a mystery based on the gender, the age, the time of year, the seasons, all of that good stuff. They take all of that into consideration, the milestones that they're at that age, and they custom make each box for each child. So they're all a mystery based on the child that it's going to, and I absolutely love that. If you would like some information about this as far as the pricing, I will let you know right about now. I do have my own code, which is SheCrafty, and that will save you 30% off your very first box if you are interested. So they have the month per month plan. Any of them you can cancel at any time. But if you want to just go month per month, it's $51.95 per box. If you want to save some money to go to a 6-month term, that's the silver plan. That will take your box price down to $45.95. And then the full 12-month platinum plan brings your box price all the way down to $43 per box. So that is great. They also do have a one-time gift box. So if you know somebody who's having a baby, if there's like a baby shower or a birthday or just because, and you can go or you can't go, either way, you can always do the one-time gift box. It's $65 with free US shipping. You let them know what size: newborn, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, and 24 months. And then you select the color pink, blue, or neutral, and they will take, again, all of that into consideration and custom make that box. You can have it shipped straight to the recipient, or you can have it shipped to yourself to bring with you if you are attending that birthday or baby shower, that kind of thing. So that is amazing that they have the 2 different options, and they will all be down below in the description box if you want to pop on over and check them out. Again, SheCrafty will save you 30% off your very first box if you are interested. If you would like to see other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I would love for you to stick around. I do so many different types of videos. If something pops up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you are. It's that simple. All right, you guys, so now that is everything for me to say and show for this particular video. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know what you thought. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty Crew, out.